Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code in Squarespace step by step. I'll be showing you this on the web version. First, head over to your main menu and click on Website. Then, open the Pages panel. You'll see a list of all your site pages. Now hover over the page you want to create a QR code for. When you do that, a gear icon will appear next to the page name. Click on that gear icon to open the page settings. The page settings window will open with several tabs across the top. Before we generate the code, there's something important to do here in the General tab. Look at the URL slug field. This is the bit that comes after your domain name in the address bar. If you need to make any changes to this URL slug, do it now. Once you create the QR code, it locks onto this exact URL. If you change the slug later, the QR code will break, so make sure the URL is exactly how you want it. Once you're happy with the URL, scroll down in that General section until you see the QR code toggle. It sits right above the Enable Page toggle. Click that toggle to switch it on. As soon as you do, Squarespace will automatically generate a QR code for that page. You'll see the code appear right there in the settings. To save it, you should see a Download QR code button appear. Click that button and the code will download to your computer as a PNG file. That file is ready to drop straight into any print materials, flyers, or promotional stuff you're working on. A couple of quick things to know: this only works for standard pages on your site, not blog posts or collection pages like portfolios or events. And remember that URL slug thing: if you do end up changing the page URL later, you'll need to come back here, create a fresh QR code, and swap out the old one on any printed materials. The old code won't redirect automatically. One last thing, once you've downloaded the code, you can actually toggle the QR code option back off in the settings if you want to clean things up. The code you already downloaded will keep working just fine, and you can always turn the toggle back on later if you need to grab it again. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.